My name is Mary Murphy. I'm a partner at Emerling Floss Murphy and Associates. Murphy Agency started in 1925, and from my grandfather, Matt Murphy, in 1951. My grandmother Murphy took over the agency for her husband Matthew, who died very suddenly. And it was unheard of for a woman back then to be owning an insurance agency or owning any business for that matter. And my grandmother dug her heels in, took her insurance licensing course. She had to write a letter to the state insurance department petitioning approval of her license. That has motivated me in my career, knowing that how many years ago that my grandmother had that desire, had that drive to succeed and make sure that business succeeded so she could pass it on to one of her children, my father, Don. I joined my father in the insurance business in 1984. One of 8 children, number 4, the only one in the business. I had the wonderful opportunity of purchasing my dad's agency in 1997. And then in 2020, I had the even more fortunate opportunity to merge with the Emerling Agency and the Floss Agency. The merger that I embarked on with George and Joe back in 2020 was the best decision I could have made. And I haven't looked back because I know we're in such great hands with the team that has been built in Emerling Floss Murphy and Associates and with our 2 young owners in Jason and Dustin. And they have been a tremendous asset to the success and growth and future of the agency. I never imagined myself I'd be moving back to my hometown and living there, raising a family. It was probably the best decision I could have made for a career and giving back to my community because it's what is important when you're in business, to give back to those who have given so much to you.